Have you ever found yourself tangled in a web of characters in a string, wondering how to replace them all at once? It can be a real headache, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to replace multiple characters in a string using regex. I totally get it. Trying to manipulate strings can feel like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people face challenges when it comes to regex, especially when trying to combine multiple replacements. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I replace the character T with a space and remove the character Z from my string?" They even tried writing two separate regex patterns but couldn't combine them. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what's the issue here? The challenge lies in combining two regex operations into one. Regex can be tricky, but once you understand how to structure it, you'll be able to manipulate strings with ease. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a simplified regex solution at the end that will make your life a whole lot easier. To replace multiple characters in a string using a single regular expression, the user can combine the two replacement patterns into one. This can be done by using a character class. Next, the user should specify the replacement logic. In this case, we want to replace T with a space and remove Z. This can be achieved by using a function in the replace method. Now let's look at the complete code. The user can implement the combined regex and the replacement function in one line. Finally, the user can test the solution with different strings to ensure it works as expected. This will help verify that T is replaced with a space and Z is removed. Fun fact, did you know that regex was first developed in the 1950s? It's amazing how something so old is still so relevant today. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests using a single regex to capture both characters. You can replace T with an empty string and Z with a space in one go by using a callback function. Additionally, you can use a dictionary for substitutions. Create a dictionary mapping T to an empty string and Z to a space, then use a regex to replace based on this mapping. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves creating a function called replaceMultiple. This function uses the native replaceAll method in JavaScript to replace multiple characters in a string without using regex. To use this function, you simply pass in the text and an array of characters to replace. For example, replacing chat with an empty string and score with a space. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your regex patterns with different strings to ensure they work as expected. This will save you time and frustration in the long run. And there you have it. You now know how to replace multiple characters in a string using regex. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video where we tackle more regex challenges.